Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you the different hair textures that we have that you can utilize for your Brazilian knots. So stay tuned, but before I begin, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like, make sure that you leave us a comment and that you share. If you are interested in getting this service, we are located in Maryland and you can go to salon809.com to book your appointment, or if you are interested in buying hair, we also sell it online or sell it in store. And if you want to learn how to do this method, we also have classes, so I will leave the link below. So I am bringing you today so many different textures. So a lot of questions that I get asked is, who is a good candidate for the Brazilian knots? And to tell you the truth, almost everybody. What we do is we have to make sure that we do match the hair texture to that client. And to give you a little bit of background about where our hair come from, this is actually my own brand. So it's Jei Hair Extensions by me. So I have traveled to Cambodia, to Vietnam, to Thailand, and to Indonesia to find the perfect hair vendor. Why this is important? Because if you're getting a luxury service, you're getting something that you're gonna pay $500 to $950, you need to have good quality hair. And the other reason is because if you don't have human hair, and then the knots will slide, and that's the reason. So if my client bring their own hair, I do not guarantee the service. I'm sorry, but I don't. I'm gonna talk to you about the different textures that we carry, that we have here. You're welcome to bring your hair as long as it's 100% natural. So here we have the Indonesian curly. This is beautiful hair. If you go on my Instagram at Salon809, you'll be able to see how I wear my hair extensions. Right now I have a bob, so I don't have extensions, but normally in the summertime I will get something like this. This is close to my hair texture. Normally I wear it straight, but when I want to wear curly, I use this because we can straighten it. And normally we use the hair like this, right? So this is bulk hair. So you can either purchase it like this, or when we have it like this, what we do is we cut the weft of the bundle. So here's for my curly ladies. And this is wavy, and like I said, this is bulk hair. This is wavy from Cambodia. Beautiful, beautiful wavy hair. And for my natural girlies, okay, we have something for everybody. So if you wear your hair natural, we have this texture 4C here for you. This is 100% human hair. And for my blondes, this is also from Indonesia. Look how full this hair is from top to bottom. This is 26 inch. You will never find, the big brands don't carry hair extension that's this full. So even my blondie girls, you can wear this, or if we have girls that want to have some color but they don't want to color their hair, we can use this. We'll color this pink, blue, purple, whatever color you want to wear, we can do that, and we can do it in form of highlights. So here you go. More kinky curly. Once we wet it, it looks better. This have no product. This is completely air dry. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful texture. I love it. And my ladies, I didn't leave you behind. If you have gray hair, we also have gray hair for you. So if your hair is silver, gray, we can also service you. We can also bring you Brazilian knots. So it's possible for you. And for my babies that are relaxed or don't want this silky hair, we have the kinky straight, and this actually straightens pretty well. So you can wear it like this, or we can straighten it and it has more texture, you know, it has less luster. So for our type of hair, this will be a better match. This is one of my favorites. I just love this because it has so much body, it has so much texture. I just love it. And this is from Indonesia also. More kinky, more kinky. Love it, I wanna eat it. No, I don't, I'm lying. This is our 24-inch wavy hair. I think I wanna get my extensions back in. I had my extensions for 6 years, and a few months ago decided to do not the entire 6 years, okay? Because y'all gonna come for me. I only had it every 3 months. I will redo them, and I had them straight for 6 years. I love the Brazilian knots, and my hair is pretty healthy. Okay, my hair grows, I keep cutting it. Matter of fact, I may go cut it because I just want to keep like a super straight bob. more wavy, more wavy. Look how full this bundle is. If you don't want to pay for hair, you know, that's on you. But good hair costs, this is luxury, this is 20-inch for $156. This will give you an idea of how much one bundle costs. But this hair, you will be able to reuse it. People get afraid a little bit because the initial price that you pay for the Brazilian knots is kind of high. It's between $1,000 to $1,500, including the hair. But when you come back to get them redone, we remove the hair and we reinstall it. So the second time, you don't have to purchase hair. You know, we have some clients that do, that's what they like, that's what I like. I get brand new hair every time I get my extensions. That's just me, you don't have to. The initial time is the big expense. And then we have Burmese curly. Beautiful, beautiful curl pattern. This is one of my favorites. I was trying to find some longer one for you, but I don't have any because they just go so fast. This is the Burmese curly and no curly hair. Okay, I had a really hard time trying to find this vendor. No curly hair, is full from top to bottom. Look how full from top to bottom this is. Most vendors will give you really, really stringy hair at the bottom. All of my hair, I only request the best from my vendors. If they mess up one order for me, I will never order from them again, and they know. I do big purchases, so they respect my game. They don't play with me. Anyways, ladies, this one was a little short. This is the only thing that I have for you. I just wanted to show you the different textures for the installation of the Brazilian knots. So this is good for any type of hair. We just recommend that you do a consultation. We do consultation over text. So if you are somewhere in another state and you want to travel to us to get your hair installed, we do consultation over text, and that phone number is 301-310-2727. We do a video pictures, we give you a price, and you can come, fly in, you can drive, and we can install them. And for my ladies that want to learn how to install the Brazilian knots, just make sure that you hit the link below in the comments. I'm going to leave you some links so you can check the classes that we have. We are going to have the online class, which is due to release January 20. On my birthday, inauguration day. Don't forget that, okay? So make sure you comment. Make sure that you wish me a happy birthday too. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you like. Let me know what other things do you want to see in the channel. And again, follow us on all social media. Go to Salon 809. We'll have the group classes. We only have a few in the year. And I am teaching one-on-one class, only 3 this year that I will be releasing. The reason why, because it takes too much time, I am too busy, and I also want to give you the most value for your money. So that's why I'm only doing 3 classes. So if you're a person that actually needs business coaching along with that class to grow your business, that's the class that you need to be in. Make sure that you inquire, group classes, online classes, or you can learn here on YouTube. It's up to you. So have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.